Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Sanjay. Welcome to my channel. So this is the first review of PicoPix Micro, which I got it like 3 months back from Dubai market, the Dubai airport, which cost me around 1199 dirhams, and it is around, you can calculate it probably about 25,000 something, and which is the best gadget what I feel for this price, since I was not having the television in my room. So I was thinking, let's update the projector and let's see how what is the result, and I am very much happy with this. So I just wanted to share you my review on this. So what I feel and everything is given here, but I'm not sure whether this is available in the Indian market, because I have searched this in the Amazon as well. I haven't found it, so probably yeah, I'm not sure, it may take time or something, but let's review it. So guys, this is the box of Philips PicoPix Micro. The model number is not given over here, but it says it contains following things, like PicoPix Micro and multi-head charger, micro USB pouch, tripod, quick start guide, and this is like 215 grams. You can see here, right? Yeah. So yeah, the model is given over here. The model is PPX320INT. So this is like, it is having up to 80-inch image display. Yeah, when you will project it to the wall, it can be more than that. It depends on how much far projector, but at the same time, they will recommend you to put it like around 6 feet, 2 meters, around 6 feet. So, which will gives you the best image, and which is 80 inch. So you can understand this can be better, like as compared to your TV size. Yeah. So if you are having the room size of 120 square feet like I have, so you can have the best projection in your room. So other things are, this is having LED, DLP, and this is having full HD supported, Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, as well as the integrated battery, which is 115 minutes of, yeah. Since now I have used this for around 3 months, and I feel the battery is working quite well. And what else in this is, like, this is the best thing which you can carry anywhere, enjoy without the battery, and you can enjoy the movies or anything. Like, this can be used for your office purpose also. Like, you can show your boss, like, you have made this type of presentation, and you can show it here, the PicoPix Micro. So let's discuss about the slots in the PicoPix Micro. So you can see here, there are 3 slots in this. One slot is the micro USB cable. The cable is given by the Philips itself, and it is in the package. So one is the USB cable, and other one is the port, which is you can connect your pen drive with it, and also it is like connected to the USB port, so you can connect it with the adapter on the other side. And there is 3.5 jack, you can see. You can connect your speakers with this, and also there is a mini HDMI cable, so you can get the converter of mini HDMI to HDMI from the Amazon. So here, this is the rewind, like you can go back with this button. This is for rewind, and this is for playing the movie or anything, and this is the button which you can turn it on. Okay, so this is the IR sensor. The remote is given with this pack, So the remote quite looks like the Amazon Prime remote. You can see there is very less difference in this, but it looks almost same. Okay.